Good afternoon, Internet. Good afternoon, viewers, friends, online subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I am Kinara P. Welcoming you as usual to this YouTube channel. Now, folks, I've been talking about snow the whole day, the whole week. Those who have followed me know that I've not been talking about anything else other than just the snow that fell in Baltimore County in the states of Maryland. That's all I've been talking about, folks. Now, it is raining today here. A little bit of rain, not much. But this rain is, if it continues, I don't know how much more will rain. But if it continues, it will be so good because it's soaked out all the snow that's been stuck here with us for the last 2 weeks. A situation that is welcome by all Marylanders. Situation welcome by all Marylanders. Nobody likes this snow, and you can see on the streets of Baltimore County in Maryland, particularly in the Liverpool area, got negligible number of vehicles out here, not many following this mess that we've been dealing here for the last 2 weeks. monitoring this situation, and it's looking increasingly clear that the next 1 week we should have all this snow melted out. I haven't checked the rain for the next 1 week. See if we can help us to sweep all this dirt, snow, and clear the areas. The situation will remain as expected. But that is a situation we can't tell right now what's going to happen. But we are hoping that the temperatures in the next 1 week, starting tomorrow, will rise up to a level that we'll be able to melt all the snow and be able to clear up the situation for us in a move aimed at cleaning up the whole area that everybody is waiting to happen. We are not 100% sure about this, but whatever the situation would be is what would be. Folks, I'm putting gas at the gas station here. Give me a minute. Sorry, folks. That was gas filling for the week. This is Exxon Mobil Carol fuels. Now we can proceed. You can see, folks, by yourself that it has been a situation that is not been clear here. A lot of snow. A lot of snow that fell here. That you cannot explain how we got a foot of snow out here. But we are glad that everybody's safe and everybody's sound. And we are still operational, folks. We're still hopeful. We are grateful for the life, the health, the food, and everything that God has given to us. There are people who never woke up this morning. There are people who woke up with difficulties. There are people who never perhaps even made it to this date, the day. So for us to be here today, be able to carry out a story for you like I'm carrying out right now amid the rain and the circumstances that are surrounding this environment. It is a thank you to God. God has been faithful and God has been great. He has granted us favor. He has given us hope to continue with the kind of life that we have, and that we are hopeful that this will continue. I said I wanted to showcase the snow today on the sidelines of the roads. Still piles and piles despite the rain that was expected perhaps to even carry it along, sweep it along. But it's not enough. It's not sufficient to clear it away. We still have significant amount of snow on the sidelines of the roads, and folks need to be careful out here because that is the situation that is here. We are living in a world of unprecedented situations that is not telling what is about to happen today or tomorrow. But it is what it is. That is what we got right now. And you cannot say otherwise.